Go on, Ted! Go on! Go on, boy! Go on! Paris rule! It's going the wrong way.
Got lost in the drop, eh?
Oh, so much for my bayonet charge. Where are they? They're everywhere. Gun up, boy, gun up. You wound? You wound?
A few up there on the hill.
Hey Jax, Carbine, can you take a team of 3 and go through all the bush? Yeah. Oh, is that a different sector?
No, this is all the same sector.
It's all the same sector, guys, spread out. Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, guys on the left, pour fire into that tin by the fence. Spread out, spread out.
Guys, they contact behind there, guys.
I know. Hit! You got it? No blind firing? Paul! 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 Charge! Charge, mate! Take people with you! Charge! Charge! Come on! Go on, Paul! Dig in! Dig in! Take the chips! Count off!
One up ahead. So, home, I guess, for this one.
Alright.
Yeah.
You boys go that way. There's one up ahead. Hit!
Guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, take.
He's hit, he's hit. How far is that? Yeah, alright.
5 metres.
Sorry, mate.
Come on, man. We talked about it this morning.
Oh, hand down, bro.
Alright, Fluffer, mate.
Just saying, keep it safe, mate. We're here for fun, not for hurting.
Yeah, I know.
Did you see Fluffer?
Hey?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I wasn't even shooting you, Fluffer.
Hey?
Takes it. Push up, man. Push up, push up. Push up, pushing.
Good man.
Hit! Hit!
Sorry, bro. You're like...
I'm hit. Get down, get down, get down, get down.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh,
5,
shit!
6, 7, 8, 9,
Easy! Hit!
12, 13, 14, 15.
Hey, come to shoot me in the arm.
Run.
Come to shoot me in the arm.
Hit!
I'll let it get.
Turn, medic.
Yo!
8, 9,
10, can you medic him?
No, too much push.
Try.
No, he's
Oh,
going.
I get you.
Cut across there. No, cut across.
Oh, hit! Fucking face shots are pissing me off, man.
2, 3, 4. Back me again. 11, 12, 14, 15. I'm going to cut across there.
Go.
Bunker, take it out to the right? Yeah. Keep going over here. Hit. We got players in the tree line here.
Is that full auto only?
Yeah. Low FPS.
Yeah, you got full auto in the face. I'm like, shit, that's within 10 metres.
Dude, duck!
Guys, I got one takeoff. Right bunker.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Alright, 10 men coming out.
Gravestone, gravestone!
Get man.
Got him! Red, sound off. How many chips are we on? Reds, this is Deddog. I've got 4 chips. How many's got chips? Head! Back of the head. Awesome.
One's down. Stay there for. One's down. Hurt. 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122
Shane, Shane.
You're leaving.
Guys. That's a different sector, isn't it?
Is that guy down?
I'm down.
But is that guy down?
I don't know.
Is he down?
3,
Rams hit. Tanis, Rams hit.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah.
Reds, I repeat, bring all chips to me. I'm in the middle. Bring all chips to me.
Gravestone, I'm going to get him. Go, big
I'm hit again.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Cheers, mate. Guys, bring me chips!
Two tags.
Oh yeah, I can see him. Hit!
Go.
Guys, I'm gonna grab my gun over there.
Trips up the hill and coming.
Yeah, it's got a hit. Probably at 16 in front of that turn, eh?
Reds, we're taking fire from the wrong sector. Let's fold over to the left and roll up the left.
The left. Which way do you want to go?
Let's go up this way. We were fighting two different battles here. You can't. So we've got to stay this side. Hit! Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So they've got to pull out of here. Yeah.
We've got one sniper up the left up here.
Reds, I've got 7 chips and we're fighting 2 battles here. Bring me chips.
These guys here are out of field of play.
Who's got chips? Who's got chips?
They shouldn't
Just
be.
go up and tell those guys up there they're out of field of play.
Thanks,
Guys,
mate.
if you're in this sector, you need to move away.
Any chips? Chips, no plankton.
Should be in the graveyard, not in here.
No, how many have we got?
At least 3 or 4 in here, and then we've got one stuff in
I think we just move on.
We're in contact.
How many chips have we got? Straight through this tree line.
No eyeballs.
12 chips.
Well,
Yeah.
so there's 3 in here maybe.
Yeah.
There's at least 4 in sounds like we've got, yeah, sounds like so we're moving across that tree line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe the alive ones are backed over that way.
All right, Reds, we're attacking Sector 2 now. Sector 2. Try and combine. Going in force. Yeah. Watch out.
We'll wait to get him because we move.
I'm hit. I got 1.
8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Cheers, mate.
Someone dropped 25.
Right, to the shack. Back there, attack up. To the shack. Right, you guys, try and pour fire into here. Keep their heads down. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm here again.
Pushing fire over here.
Yep, stay standing. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15.
Cheers, mate.
Yep, they're pushing on the left.
Yeah, second two now.
You still got that over there, guys?
Guys, I need some coverage, Bob.
Reds in force, sector 2, let's attack.
Whereabouts?
Over there.
Tree line left hand side.
Alright, guys.
Tan, go with him.
Oh, hit!
Oh,
shit.
Yeah, it's just, you know, when you get your hand up, you get shot in the face. So.
I'm getting so many face shots today, man.
So much last week.
Yeah, it is what it is.
All right, boys.
Love it, eh?